Previously on Taplays Outdoors.
All right, fall canoe trip 2023 is underway.
My good canoe buddy Megs and I are back once again. We launched from Shell Lake Access Point, and we set up base camp on Crotch Lake.
Megs rebuilt the fire pit. Okay, we got a good wood pile started. So I got the first casualty of the trip. I don't know if you can see it. There's a sliver in my forearm from getting wood. Let's see how it is. Out here after supper doing a little fishing. The sun has set pretty darn quick. Have a good one, everybody. So we're here on Crotch Lake this weekend. So we're gonna set up a base camp. We're gonna pick a campsite. Hopefully it's pretty decent. So we're at a campsite right now. For the weekend is number 10. It's not, that's just on Algonquin Adventures, but it's south, a nice beach site.
Good morning from Algonquin Park. It's a little foggy, a little cool out today. We do have a day trip planned. We're going to go to a neighboring lake, do a whole lot of fishing.
So this is what we're waking up to this morning. There's a bald eagle. Awesome. That was a good timing coming down here, and all of a sudden the eagle flies by.
It was time to get a warm cup of coffee in me and have some porridge.
Do an update on my war wound here. I still believe there's something in there, but feels good. No worries, no concerns thus far. So today on it's Saturday, we decided to go out and explore Shell Lake. We're on Shell Lake, going for a day trip to catch some fish. Exactly what Shell Lake is. It's a hollow lake. You can see the entire bottom, the entire lake. We didn't see anything. Something was cool was the power cut. I don't know if you can see or not, but there's hydro wires. Should be a power cut. And it'd be interesting to see if there's like a buzz from the static hydro. So maybe if you wanted to check that out, that's pretty cool. And I'll social images now. This is the power cut. So far I can't hear anything. That's looking to the north of Shell Lake. Let's see if that's going over there. interesting. Looking back to the south. After only exploring 3/4 of Shell Lake, we returned to camp as Megs was not feeling the best. So we're gonna give a little tip, guys, at the narrows in between Crotch Lake and Shell Lake. Kind of a deep hole in between lakes, and we were very successful at catching fish. So okay. Oh, I got him. Not bad. First
Official
Shell Lake
catch?
Pike, but yeah, we caught her. It's not bad, eh?
No, not at all.
I keep it or no?
Totally up to you.
Put my fishing pole down.
Go ahead.
If you're interested in this area, I suggest you go there.
Just be aware there's a campsite right on the point there. So.
This is one campsite that's located across from us. Pretty cool. Has its own picnic table, but
They might not appreciate you standing on their shore while you're fishing that point. So, but you can go and stand on the far side on the rocks there.
there's 5 really close sites, so chances are there'll be no privacy. Hopefully these sites right here are not going to be too overcrowded and noisy for this weekend. We're right about there somewhere over in the bay. Be a great site for a sunset. Got the westerly view. Some kind of old relic. Cute. The old Shell Lake access point used to be located at the Narrows in between Crotch and Shell Lake. In 1996, the Shell Lake access point moved to its current location to reduce the need for maintaining that portion of the access road. There used to be a bridge at the Narrows to access those cluster of drive-in campsites. They burnt the old office down and disassembled the bridge at the Narrows. So this was a heavily traveled area, Crotch Lake. We've had a difficult time finding firewood. You either have to go off the beaten path to find your wood, or find a portage and get your wood from there. Megs is feeling a little rough, a little lightheaded, so he's just gonna stay at camp. You know, when I say the leaves are at their peak, but they're well on their way. Thought I heard a big crack there. I just thought I heard like a big crack or something, some kind of branches break. I don't know, kind of got the heart rate in there. Hey bear! Hey! Hey! Hey bear! Just in case, you never know. So it's about 12:30 right now. Doing a little fishing here. We can go back for lunch, see how Megs is, and take care of my needs too. First loon of the trip. Soon it was time to get a fire going and start thinking about supper. On the menu this evening is a potato blend and steak. We're gonna go do a little fishing. Supper's all cleaned up for the night. It's only 6 o'clock and the sun is setting so quickly. What a gorgeous night. Fish on. We quickly realized we were losing more of the big pike due to the smaller net and learned to grab the pike behind the gills in order to land them. All right, 7:30. Time to get in the whiskey. All right, it's 7:18. Got back in from fishing. A little bit of wood to burn. It's I recognize my bear. Stick upon the string. You guys? I hope that doesn't. Alright, time for bed. Bed's all ready to roll. Time to get tucked in, and that's it for this evening. So, time for bed here. Put on a fresh pair of underwear, fresh socks. I got my Wool Love long johns on. The t-shirt that I'm wearing for tomorrow, because it's going to be cold. I don't want to put a cold t-shirt on tomorrow morning. And then my toque and probably my hoodie. I'll put on when I get up to go pee for the first time. So that's all she wrote for day 2, and we'll see you all tomorrow morning. I'm out of here. Good night. Good riddance. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching part 2 of my fall 2003 canoe trip. Morning, everybody. Excuse me.
On the top. And I remember going to the optometrist a few years ago, and she said, "Oh yeah, you're starting to get whatever the hell it was called." And I'm like, she goes, "Just parts of your inside of your eye are." We decided to go out and explore Shallow Lake. Exactly what Shallow Lake. Don't waste your time. You can see the entire bottom of the entire lake. We didn't see anything. Meg's is snagged again. In the drink he goes. Yeah, I'm gonna have a heart. I don't know, kind of got the heart rate in there. Hey, bear! Hey! Hey! Hey, bear! Just in case, you never know. Okay, might be time to go back to camp now. Jeez. Oh wait, you gotta stop it.
Why?
Because we're on the wrong side, we gotta switch.